My name's Darren, and I'm going to be doing a review today on the new keto. Now, there's a new keto that's specifically designed for 50 people, 50 years and over. Now, what I really like about that is it's always been one of those grey areas that when it comes to certain age gaps, etc., you really don't know if it's going to work or not. So I'm quite pleased about doing this review. I'm hoping that it's going to help you. I'm actually 51 this year, so it might be something I might even consider myself. Let's just give it a whirl and see what happens. So basically, it's introducing a new approach to the ketogenic diet for men and women over the age of 50. Now, of course, women with menopause and stuff like that, it could have an adverse effect. So that could be one of the reasons why they've had to redo it and restyle it and perhaps rechange a few things because of the age difference between obviously someone who's 20 years old, 30 years old, someone who's got diabetes. All these things, etc. You've just got to take into consideration. So this guy here is James Wilson. He's obviously the guy that's done the keto. This is an actual, almost like a sister site of the keto diet, which was extremely successful. I've actually helped a lot of people with keto myself, where I've sold it to people, and it's helped them a lot, and I've had a good feedback from it, and so that's quite good. So this one here, as you say, is the first ever one-of-a-kind blueprint to help men and women achieve the best possible body transforming results over the age of 50. It's already been tested by thousands of beta users from nutrition hacks, and the results have been outstanding. So again, all you got to do, guys, is actually just check this out yourself. There's a lot of tutorials on there. There's also testimonials on there. There's some superb Keto After 50 diet cookbooks, and obviously some great recipes that are going to really change things around for you and help to maintain the ability of what you try, etc. One of the things I would say to you is if you do give it a go, I would try it for at least 90 days and then obviously make your decisions after that, because some people's metabolism rate changes, and as you get older, obviously it slows the metabolism rate down. So giving it a good 90 days is going to give you a good track record on whether or not it's going to help you, or you'd have a better chance of seeing any changes in your bodies, male or female, after obviously taking on this keto challenge for after 50s. So that's what I would probably go for. Now, if you'd be getting the Keto After 50 system for only $9 on this page only. Now, I do believe this is going to go up, guys, so it's up to you whether or not you want to go for that and get the claim. But obviously, if you do, I'll be throwing in, as usual, some of my bonuses. Now, I've got some well-being bonuses this time, which I'm going to pop in. Some may have a meditation one for you as well, and I might be able to find a keto cookbook somewhere and all, which is going to help you. So if you're interested in that, guys, all you need to do is obviously just claim right there, and that will take you straight through to your link. And then after you've created your link, you'll be able to purchase this. Okay, guys. So that's all I need to do for this review. Hopefully it's going to help you. Don't forget to check out my free training videos. Not that they are related to my website, because this is affiliate marketing, but what I have got is I've got a blog. If we click on the blog, I've got all sorts of things on my blog. I've got hip flexors, I've got Cinderella review, so there's all sorts of different ways of losing weight, etc., which you can obviously give yourselves a chance and see how you get on with that. Here's another one: Piella diet, weight loss pill, yoga booty. I've got plenty of things in there which you might find some interest in. So if it is something that you might want to have an interest in, then obviously feel free to go to darrenspassiveincome.com and you'll be able to get direct access to that. Obviously, if you're interested in this, all you need to do, guys, is click on the bonus crate link, which is in the YouTube, which is directly below. So where my fingers are, directly below, click on that and you'll be able to get access to the over 50s keto. And I hope it helps you. Cheers, guys. Till the next review. I'll catch you later. Bye now.